one of the co-authors of Libby Loves Science. My other co-author is Shelli, Johannes. Today we're going to do some experiments, and I'm here with, who are you?
Hudson and Harper.
Hudson and Harper. They're going to help me make ice cream out of Libby Loves Science. We have the directions to make ice cream.
And some slime.
Yeah, we're going to make slime in a little bit. Do you guys want to make ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so we have everything we need to make ice cream here. We have sandwich bags. We have Ziploc gallon-sized bags. We have ice cream salt. You can use rock salt or even table salt if you don't have that. We have sugar and vanilla. So,
what about this?
Yep, that's rock salt. That's the salt.
Oh.
So we're going to take, so the directions say.
And this is where we're going to try the ice cream with.
Yeah, we're going to measure. That's what we're going to measure with.
And then we're going to try it with it.
So each of us are going to take a bag. You want to take a bag, Harper? And we have half and half.
What's half and half?
Half and half is kind of like really creamy milk. Okay, so first we're each going to take a tablespoon of sugar, and this is a tablespoon.
Thank you.
And so we're going to scoop a tablespoon of sugar into your bag. It has to be all the way full, like that. And put it into your bag. Good job. Then we're going to do the same thing.
You have to mix it when you're all done.
Yeah, we're going to mix it when we're all done.
Like
we'll put one into Harper's bag like that.
I like the sugar.
You do.
I want to eat it.
And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. That's vanilla.
For me?
Yep, you're going to have one too. I think I'm going to pour that
Can
in for you.
Hold this?
Why don't you hold that open?
You could dip it.
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Dump like that.
Mix.
Harpy, do you want to open your bag for me?
Mix.
No, you don't want me. You want me to do it? Okay.
Mix.
And then we need 1/2 cup.
Half of a cup.
Of half and half.
Of half and half. Open it.
Yeah.
That's too much.
Is it too much?
Yeah.
I'm going to dump that in. Do you know how to zip your bag shut?
No.
Okay.
I can't. Oh.
I know we're making a mess.
Yummy milk. I like it.
You do. Okay.
Can somebody show that? How messy it's in my
I
bag.
made a mess.
Look how much messy it is in my bag.
Yeah.
Can you do it right
You
now?
want me to zip it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then we take one of these big bags. You gotta have a big bag.
And put it in this
You can put that one down. Not yet, we're gonna put this one. I'm gonna have you take 2, Hudson, of the salt. I already put the salt in there. I want you to fill this like this and put 2 scoops of that in there. Can you do another one?
It was down my bag.
Oh, sorry.
It's not my bag.
And then Harpy needs a bag. And we gotta give her 2 scoops. And this is, you wanna make sure you get 2 full tablespoons of the rock salt or the ice cream salt. And fill that in there.
That's funny.
Mama, you dropped one.
I did drop some, huh? And then in these bags, we're gonna fill this 3/4 of the way full with ice. And now what I want you guys to do is each of you put, it is cold. Can you put your bag inside there?
Yeah. Oh.
You want to?
Oh.
Is it too messy for you? Put your bag inside of there. And then we'll zipper that closed, seal that shut. Can you do this? And now, for 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to shake your bag. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and we're going to try our ice cream, okay?
Why is your ice melted?
Some of the ice melted, huh? All right, let me see your spoon. That is some hard ice cream.
Is it like It's like vanilla.
It's like ice cream. Yeah, it's vanilla. It's your favorite.
I fell.
Okay, here.
Okay, take that.
You gonna get it?
I'll eat it.
How is it?
Mm.
Vanilla. Yeah, you like it?
Red.